how you can go through and change your background color of your iPhone keyboard. So you can see right here, I have this particular keyboard right here. But if I go and switch it over, you can actually change the background. Now, in order to do this, you will have to download a different keyboard. So open up your iPhone App Store like this, and you want to go ahead and search for Gboard. So search for that Gboard application, and it's going to look like this. This is what the Gboard application is. It's a really cool keyboard. It gives you a lot of cool different capability and a lot of different things, but you can go ahead and have customizable themes with a customizable background. So once the keyboard is downloaded, you want to go and open it up, and you want to go through the initial setup process. So click on Get Started. You just need to give it access to your keyboard. So click on Keyboards, tap on Gboard, and you can allow full access. That'll just be better. So allow full access to that keyboard, then go back to the keyboard. When you're done, you then want to go ahead and hold down on your little globe icon in the bottom left, and then you can tap on Gboard, and now you have the Gboard keyboard. So now what you can do is click on Got It, and now you can change up and customize your particular background of that keyboard. What we can do is we can tap onto Themes, which is right over here, and it will allow us to go ahead and change the background of our keyboard with all these other images. Or what we can do is we can tap on Custom, which is right over here, and we can choose a custom photo. So now what I can do is I can just go through my photos and find a custom photo. Let's say, this one of this dog. I can tap on it, and I can go and kind of customize it to go ahead and kind of show how that keyboard would look. I can tap on Choose right here, and now look, my keyboard now has a custom wallpaper or custom background now. So that's basically how you do it. You can then go through and use this keyboard as you normally would, or you can just click on this globe icon to go back to your other keyboard. So that's how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys.